So the watersheds is the idea that ice melts on the top of mountains and flows down. So I just want you guys to say with me that watersheds make rivers. Go ahead, say it. Watersheds make rivers. Go ahead, say it. Watersheds make rivers.
Creek School is when the 9th graders and some 10th, 11th, and 12th graders teach the elementary kids in an outdoor environmental education field day.
We're just trying to teach different concepts in science through really fun ways.
Today we're going to make our own watersheds by crumbling up some pieces of paper, and this is going to represent mountains.
It's an interactive project that the 9th graders take teaching into their own hands. So everything we know about teaching and learning, we're teaching our 9th grade students to reenact with K through 3.
Alright, so we're about to make our own personal mountains. We're about to make our own personal world.
So our 9th grade students devise lessons with clear learning goals in mind.
There you go. So this represents rain, right? And it's raining on the mountains, right?
They are demonstrating those lessons and teaching the elementary students. And the elementary students track their own learning through a journal that shows the progress they've made.
I want you guys to draw what you saw.
So hydrosphere, what do you guys think that is? Well, you probably don't know. So a hydro means water, and sphere, when I think of sphere, I think of a ball. So science, math, physical education. We've been doing a story time, and a lot of the focus is on biology, and our teachers will want us to express our love for biology, so to speak, and to incorporate that into Creek School and make this day the best day for the elementary school kids. Are you guys still excited about water?
Yeah. Yeah.
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's pointing this way. Now, if I hold it right here and you look through it, how do you see it? Which way is it pointing? Pointing that way?
We're having the high school kids do the teaching because it's a way for them to apply some of what they've learned in biology or in AP biology about environmental education. Each one of those classes has a strand related to ecology, so then they can take something that they've learned and teach the elementary kids at a level that the elementary kids can understand.
We get to learn about it while we're also teaching someone, so I pick it up faster when I teach somebody about it.
Because it's the charcoal.
The students rotate about every 10 minutes from station to station. So all in all, kids will have tracked 12 learning goals and learn 12 different things.
Water's less, much more stronger in toothpicks, so it pulls it up.
I've been here since I was in kindergarten, and I got to participate in all of this in Creek School, and I think it's really fun because it is a K-12 school.
Creek School has always been like something you look forward to when you're younger in elementary because you get to play with the high school students, and when I was in elementary, playing with the high school students was like a big deal, and knowing someone in high school is a big deal. And like when you see them around school, like the next year, oh hey, I know you from Creek School and all that stuff.
I remember this is what I would look forward to like every year because the stations were really fun.
I was never a big fan of biology. I'm in science, so to speak, but when I came here, I got more interested in science. I remember doing activities where we would stick our hands in stuff and had to determine what it is and what it did.
I guess it's just like learning the people at your school and learning about the little kids that are gonna grow up and be in your place and remembering where you were, like your footsteps.
Putting older kids in charge of teaching younger kids is extremely powerful, I think, when it comes to educating young children.
Often our students are just students, and it's really awesome to see they become kind of mentors.
Everybody take their toothpick and try to move the droplet to another one.
And we know that cooperative learning is really important, and this is interactive and cooperative, so it speaks to the kind of pedagogy I think that we aim for at PK.
What did you get?
What did you get?
On your right foot.
Water.
I think that it offers more support for science education at an early age for the elementary kids, and it gets them outside doing activities, which is really hands-on science in an outdoor environment.
I'm not wet. Why am I not wet?
Cohesion.
Cohesion, that's exactly right. So when water sticks together like that, it's cohesion.